So if you want to collaborate on an Instagram post, all you have to do is go and start creating the post. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create this post, for instance. Okay, so I'll select my photo or Instagram reel or whatever it is, tap on next. The next thing you want to do is go through this, tap on next, and then when you write a caption like that, and then let's say you want to collaborate with someone or a business page. So what you need to do is tap on tag people and then tap on invite collaborators, and then it's gonna give you some message about inviting collaborators. Tap on continue, and then let's find the collaborator we want to add. Okay, so for instance, I'm gonna try and select this page. Now for most people, you'll not be able to select them as collaborators. Okay, so I'm gonna go and select this page, and the reason why we are not able to add them as collaborators is because we're not following each other on Instagram. But for this particular page, we're following each other, so I'll just select their name like that. And then once they're added as a collaborator, I'll just tap on done and proceed to post my Instagram post. Okay, now when I add someone as a collaborator, they will get a notification on their own Instagram account that someone is trying to collaborate with them. So if I open this other account, you can see there's a DM in this other account saying that this person wants to collaborate on this post, and they can either accept or decline. So if they accept and then they confirm, then that post will also be added to their own profile. So you can see this is posted by this profile and this profile. So since I accepted the collaboration, then it's gonna show up here. Now on this other page, you can also see that the user has accepted my collaboration. And that is basically how to collaborate on a post on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.